Hi, welcome to Ty's Conscious Kitchen. Today I'm showing how to make an alkaline electric chickpea tuna salad. And the items I'm using are currently on Dr. SEBI'S nutritional guide, and they are cooked chickpeas, dosed flakes, green peppers, red onions, dill, sea salt, onion powder, and my alkaline electric hemp seed mayo. The recipe will be in the description box below. So let's begin. So our first step, we're going to take the cooked chickpeas, we're going to mash them. And you're going to mash them a little bit, nothing too crazy, to give you a little bit of texture. Then we're going to add the other ingredients. That's pretty good right there. We're going to add some of the dosed flakes. And you can also use seaweed sheets, but you just gotta cut them up into small pieces. My alkaline electric hemp mayo, hemp seed mayo, some sea salt, some dill, onion powder, some diced onions, and diced green peppers. And you can also add some cayenne to give it more of a spice if you like it spicy. Then we're just going to blend it, mix it well, and then we're just going to let it refrigerate for about half an hour to an hour. Keep it covered. And the longer you keep it, more of the dosed flavor will marinate into the chickpea tuna salad. So after half an hour in the refrigerator, I decided to make some lettuce wraps. And there it is, alkaline electric chickpea tuna salad. You can find this in my Volume 4 cookbook. It looks delicious. And it tastes delicious. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.